Hi there, I'm Dan, and I've spent over 3 years diving deep into the world of Amazon. I started out as a brand owner in 2020 and made it my full-time passion by joining the incredible team at FordeBaker in May 2021. If you're on a quest to supercharge your Amazon listings' organic performance, or eager to build a winning team that does so, you're in the right place. Either way, achieving organic success on Amazon is not an option. It's a necessity for every brand out there. In this upcoming video, I'll be revealing how organic success on Amazon is driven by more than just one magic factor and/or keyword strategy, and how our teams at FordeBaker collaborate to achieve organic success for our clients. If you align your strategies with these principles, Amazon rewards you generously with coveted visibility in search results and prime placements, essentially vouching for your credibility and hard-earned reputation. If your listings fall short of these principles, Amazon won't do you any favors. They won't promote your listings, and sellers will struggle to meet their goals until the strategy is updated to align with these sacred principles. Well, let's start with pillar number 1, availability or inventory. By consistently staying in stock, you send a powerful message to Amazon. You're telling them that you're a reliable partner and that they can count on you for a cut of any sales you make, as well as deliver a seamless shopping experience for customers searching for your products. In other words, customers searching for your product will actually be able to buy it. At FordeBaker, we have a dedicated account strategy team who work with clients and their catalogs to identify the most lucrative products and the inventory levels required to maximize profit. With experience across a variety of brands, product categories, major retail holidays and countries, our team ensures that time is spent on staying in stock for your highest impact product listings. What this means is that they will share this with you, our clients, so you can prioritize keeping those listings in stock. Our strategists are in constant communication with our other teams, ensuring that they channel their efforts into those high impact listings as well. As time rolls on, the coordinated effort becomes a cornerstone for your organic success. It's all part of the FordeBaker commitment to helping your brand thrive in the Amazon ecosystem. The second pillar is price. Competitive pricing on Amazon serves a dual purpose, and it's absolutely crucial. It's your ticket to winning the buy box. If you're not sure what the buy box is, it's that enticing buy now box on the right-hand side of an Amazon listing. And here's the kicker. About 83% of Amazon sales happen through this buy box. Reason 2. Competitive pricing ensures that your product delivers enough value to entice customers to hit that buy now button. Amazon gives the buy box to the seller on the listing that it believes is the most competitive offer for this product, and it takes it away from sellers that don't have a competitive offer. If you're a well-known brand or have distributors outside of Amazon, another seller may choose to sell your product on your listing at a lower price than you. Again, our account strategy team looks after this pillar. They collaborate closely with brands to craft a pricing strategy that walks the tightrope between winning the buy box and staying competitive enough to motivate customers to make that purchase. The third and only pillar that we haven't touched on yet is sales velocity. This is a really big one and requires the most collaboration between teams to achieve organic success. Because sales velocity isn't a standalone metric, it's a complex equation influenced by several indirect factors that work together harmoniously. These factors include reviews and star ratings, images, graphic design and copy, advertising and promotions, and more. At FordeBaker, we've strategically divided these influential factors among 3 specialized teams, each experts in their own right. Team 1, listing optimization. This team meticulously analyzes data and provides invaluable insights to our content team, guiding them to create product listing changes that work like conversion magnets. They work closely with the SEO team to provide insights such as the most mentioned feature in reviews, so that the content team knows exactly what to include and prioritize in their work to increase conversion rate. Team 2, content. They're a 2-pronged force split into graphic design and video and copywriting. The former takes charge of crafting eye-catching image galleries, A+ content, brand modules, and videos, while the latter focuses on the art of persuasive copywriting, including bullet point and titles. Their efforts are fueled by the wealth of experience across multiple marketplaces and brands, propelling listings to the coveted top-ranking organic spots. Their contribution enhance advertising ROI and make advertising spend work harder. Team 3. Advertising. Crafting the right advertising strategy is paramount for organic success on Amazon. This team collaborates seamlessly with all other teams, SEO, listing optimization, strategy, and content to create tailored advertising campaigns. From keyword-focused campaigns to product awareness initiatives, they know the Amazon game inside and out, and can master it across Amazon's 21 diverse marketplaces. The coordinated efforts of these 3 teams lay the foundation for our third pillar, sales velocity. With time, these efforts culminate in robust organic performance that sets brands on a path to Amazon's success. And number 4, text match relevance, also known as search engine optimization, or SEO. It's about making sure your product matches what customers are searching for. At FordeBaker, we recognize the importance of this 4th key principle on Amazon. For that reason, each of our brands is paired with a dedicated SEO specialist. Why? Because we understand the importance of text match relevance on Amazon. By having one specialist dedicated to this area, we ensure that principle number 4 receives the care and attention it deserves. So how do our SEO specialists do this? First, they take the time to immerse themselves in your brand's essence, understand your products, and uncover what sets you apart. Then, they carry out comprehensive keyword research, exploring your product's category, marketplace, and language. And finally, they define a cutting-edge keyword strategy to attract the right customers to your brand, optimizing the visibility of each product. To summarize, organic performance is more than just having the right keywords on a product page. It's an orchestration of 4 key pillars: availability, sales velocity, price, and text match relevance. At FordeBaker, our teams are meticulously designed to be experts in each of these pillars, working tirelessly to unlock organic success for the brands we work with. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this video informative and that you've gained valuable insights on how to drive more organic sales for your product listing. For more invaluable content and in-depth insights, be sure to stay connected with us on the FordeBaker LinkedIn page, our website, and our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that follow button wherever you're watching. Hopefully, we'll have the pleasure of seeing you soon. Until then, take care and wish you all the best of luck with your organic success on Amazon.